fans, welcome back to another video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. Before we get started, please click below to subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell next to that subscription button so that you can get notifications and be notified when new videos are released. Your support means a lot to us here, and we really get a lot of gratification out of the fact that you guys out there are watching our videos and enjoying them, so please continue to do so. Today on the channel, we've got a two-train video for you. First up, we're going to have Q501 that we caught on September 18th. And then on that same day, we're going to have K423. That one is led up by a couple of CP Canadian Pacific locomotives. So I hope you enjoy both of those, and thanks for watching. First up here, we've got Q501. This is a manifest train that runs south each day from Bar Yard in Chicago, Illinois, down to Radnor Yard in Nashville, Tennessee. It's led up on this day by three CSX locomotives, 5465, which is an ES44DC, 4561 is a YN3 rebuilt Mack, and CSX 574 is an AC44CW. As you can see here, it's a really hard rain coming down while this is going on. And here in just a bit, we're going to see a Kellogg Grain Company hopper of Denver, Colorado. Definitely the first one of those I've seen. I imagine there's not a whole lot of those running around, so be on the lookout for that. It's pretty faded, but you can still make it out. And up next, we've got CSX K423. This one is a ethanol train headed south from Bensenville, Illinois, where it was handed off from the Canadian Pacific Railroad down to Tampa, Florida. As you can see up front, they did retain a couple of those Canadian Pacific locomotives. 9711 is an AC44CW, 8852 is an ES44AC, and then a CSX 245 in that YN2 paint scheme. An AC44CW was attached third. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.